Basic 3 pupils of Vikidyl Models. Your favorite teacher, Teacher Victoria, is here again. You're welcome to our third term's online lessons, and I'll still be taking you on mathematics. I hope you're ready. For all what we were doing last week was just revision, and from this week upward, we'll be doing the real third term's work. So please get your textbooks, your maths exercise books, and your engagement exercise book, because we are in for a big time, because we are in for a serious business. Are you ready? God bless you. In our week 2, your first topic for the third term is measurement of length. Measurement of length. And during and at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define and state the units for measuring length, recite the length metric table, convert length from centimeters to meters, meters to centimeters, meters to kilometers, and kilometers to centimeters. You can achieve this if you pay attention. Open to your page 249 of your mathematics textbook. Are you there? I'm waiting. All right, I'm sure you're there. What is length? What is length? Here, length is simply defined as the distance of an object from one end to another. Length is the distance of an object from one end to another. Look into that write-up. You'll notice that the units, or most common units used for measuring length, are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Now, still on your page 249, it is summarized that millimeters are used for measuring tiny objects, centimeters are used for measuring short objects, meters are used for measuring long objects, and kilometers are used for measuring long distances. What do we use for measuring in length? We use a ruler. We also can use a meter rule, and we can also use a tape. These are materials that enables the measurement of length. Okay? Now, when you're using a ruler to take a measurement of any length of an object, ensure you begin at the 0 centimeters. On the screen and in your textbook page 249 is a wooden yellow ruler. This is a 30 centimeters ruler. A 30 centimeters ruler. We have the 0 centimeters where you begin your measurement. Anytime you're asked to measure, you begin at the 0 centimeters to wherever distance you're covering. Do not begin at 1 centimeter. You begin at the 0 centimeter. If you look at the ruler very well, let's try to take a look at it. You notice that the 0 centimeter is somewhere here, just before the 1. That is where you ought to begin the measurement. Don't begin at this number 1. Always begin at the 0 point. Do we understand? Now, still on that page, you also have there a summary of the length metric table you ought to memorize as far as this lesson is concerned, and more lessons to come on length. Please ensure you learn and memorize what is just there. It's still on your page 249, precisely the base of your textbook, just the bottom there. You see the summary. Please ensure you learn this and memorize it. Do we understand? I'm sure you'll do that. Now our first exercise here is changing centimeters to meters. Changing centimeters to meters. When changing centimeters to meters, what we expect you to do is divide the centimeters by 100. Why? Because 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So whenever you're given a question in centimeters and you're expected to change it to meters, what you do is use that value and multiply by 100. Now look at the example in your textbook. We'll take just one example there. We have 300 centimeters to meters. 300 centimeters to meters. Like I said, when you're given a number in centimeters to change to meters, what you do is you divide by 100. So 3 divided by 100 gives us 3 meters. It gives us what? 3 meters. All right, quickly, we'll do one example on that. And are you with your engagement exercise book? I'm sure you're with your engagement exercise books. All right, you take this question and convert for me. Are you ready? All right. Change 618 centimeters to meters. Change 618 centimeters to meters. 2 minutes. In fact, 2 minutes is too much. 2 seconds. 618 centimeters to meters. What's your answer? Okay. Did you have 6.18 meters? Wow, that's the correct answer. Let's do it together. 618 centimeters to what? Meters. What you do is you divide. Let's divide together. 618 divided by 100. There is something I will bring to your notice when we are done with this. When dividing by 100, it is assumed that the decimal point is always at the end of the number. The decimal point is at the end of the number. So when dividing, the decimal point moves to the left. 1, 2. Why 2? Because 100 has 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Sorry, 1, 2. 100 has 1 and 2 zeros. So it moves 2 times to the left because you're dividing by 100. So let's do the movement now. It will move 1 and 2. Oh, it looks somehow right. Let's take a color so that you understand what I mean. It's assumed that the decimal point is behind 8, so it will move 1, 2. Wow. So it means your final answer will be 6.18 meters because you were asked to convert from centimeters to meters. I can see you nodding because you got it right. That's beautiful. Okay, let's move to the next page. The next page here says you should change meters to centimeters. Change meters to centimeters. That's on page 251. Are you there? Page 251. Change meters to centimeters. Now this time around, what you will do is you multiply the meters by 100. But when we're converting centimeters to meters, we divided. Now we want to convert meters to centimeters. We will multiply by 100. And I said before we move further, I will show you something. But let's just take this now.